Struggling to find affordable ways to prepare for emergencies? You're in the right place. We're diving into a world where readiness is the name of the game and the stakes are survival. But fear not, for we're about to reveal 22 budget-friendly prepping and survival supplies that won't break the bank. These aren't your everyday household items, they're tools of resilience designed to get you through any crisis. Imagine a power outage that stretches on for days, or a natural disaster that forces you to bug out at a moment's notice. Perhaps you find yourself needing to set up a temporary camp in the wild. Whatever the scenario, these supplies will equip you to navigate through it and not just survive, but come out stronger on the other side. From essentials that will keep you warm and lit, to food and water necessities that will fuel your body and spirit, we've got you covered. We're talking about tools that aid in navigation and communication when the digital world fails us. And let's not forget the importance of building and maintenance tools that can mean the difference between a makeshift shelter and a comfortable space. In a world where the unexpected can become the new normal in the blink of an eye, knowledge is your best weapon, and preparedness, your best defense. So we're here to arm you with both. Over the course of this video, we'll be delving into each of these categories, discussing why each item is essential and how it can be used in various crisis scenarios. So, whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out on your journey to becoming self-reliant, this video is for you. No electricity? No problem. A manual can opener is your best friend in the dark, letting you access canned goods effortlessly. Let's think about it. In the absence of power, canned goods become your lifeline. But without an electric can opener, how do you get to that lifeline? This is where the humble manual can opener shines, cutting through metal like butter, no power required. But it's not just about food. Power outages also bring darkness, and navigating in the dark can be a challenge. That's where our next essential item comes in, LED flashlights. These pocket-sized powerhouses cast a bright light that cuts through even the thickest darkness. They are compact, durable, and incredibly efficient, ensuring you can see clearly no matter how dark it gets. But remember, a flashlight is only as good as the batteries that power it. That's why it's crucial to stock up on batteries of various sizes. From powering flashlights to radios, batteries are the unsung heroes of any emergency situation. They silently sit in your drawer, ready to spring into action when needed. However, we can't rely solely on batteries. There may come a time when the last battery drains out, leaving you in the dark. What then? Well, that's when our next essential item comes into play, candles. Candles are more than just a source of light. They can light up your space, provide a bit of warmth, and even be used for cooking. And the best part? They don't require any power. Just a matchstick and you're good to go. So there you have it. 4 essential items for power and light during emergencies. Manual can openers, LED flashlights, batteries, and candles. Each one serves a unique purpose, and together they ensure you're never left in the dark. Affordable, filling, and nutritious, these staples will fuel you through any ordeal with their long shelf life. Let's dive deep into the importance of food and water necessities during emergencies. Rice and beans are the dynamic duo of prepping cuisine. These humble grains and legumes are cheap, easy to store, and packed with essential nutrients. They're versatile too, allowing you to whip up anything from a comforting bowl of rice and beans to a hearty chili. Plus, with their long shelf life, you can stockpile them without worrying about spoilage. Next up, canned tuna and chicken. These protein powerhouses are a must-have for any prepper's pantry. They're ready to eat right out of the can, making them a convenient option when you need a quick meal. And, since they're packed in their own juices, they offer an additional source of hydration. Not to mention their compact size makes them easy to pack if you need to bug out in a hurry. Now let's talk about cooking. In a crisis, you may find yourself without access to your usual kitchen amenities. That's where a sturdy cooking pot comes into play. It's a multi-purpose tool that lets you boil water, cook your meals, and even sterilize medical equipment. Choose one made of durable material like cast iron or stainless steel, and you'll have a cooking companion that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. But what about water? We all know it's essential for survival, but in an emergency, your usual sources may not be safe or available. That's where water purification tablets come in. These small but mighty tablets can purify water from virtually any source, making it safe to drink. They're lightweight, easy to use, and crucially, they kill harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause illness. Just drop one into a liter of water, wait for the magic to happen, and voila, you've got potable water ready to drink or use for cooking. Remember, when it comes to prepping, variety is key, so consider diversifying your food stockpile with other non-perishable items like powdered milk, dried fruits, and canned vegetables. And don't forget about comfort foods. Having your favorite chocolate bar or a can of your beloved soup can give you a much-needed morale boost in tough times. When digital devices fail, a reliable old-school compass and local maps will keep you on the right path. Now, let's dive into the importance of navigation and communication during emergencies. First off, a compass. This little gadget has been guiding explorers and adventurers for centuries. Even in today's digital world, a compass remains an essential tool for navigation, especially when technology fails or is unavailable. It's compact, lightweight, and doesn't require batteries or a signal. Just a clear view of the sky and a basic understanding of how it works are all you need to find your bearings. Literally. Next up, maps. Yes, paper maps. Remember those? In an age of GPS and Google Maps, it might seem archaic, but when the power's out or your devices are dead, a physical map is a lifesaver. It's a good idea to have a collection of local, regional, and national maps. They don't require power. They're not subject to signal loss or battery drain, and they can be a crucial resource when you're trying to navigate unfamiliar terrain or find the safest route to your destination. Now let's talk about staying connected. An emergency radio is your link to the outside world during a crisis. It allows you to receive critical updates, weather forecasts, and emergency instructions, even when regular communication channels are down. Whether it's battery-operated or hand-cranked, an emergency radio is an absolute must-have for your survival kit. Lastly, we have the solar charger. This handy tool harnesses the power of the sun to keep your devices charged, even when you don't have access to an electrical outlet. It's perfect for keeping your phone, radio, or other essential devices up and running. Plus, it's eco-friendly and can be a lifesaver in prolonged power outages or off-grid situations. So there you have it. Navigation and communication tools that are essential for any survival scenario. They're reliable, practical, and can help ensure your safety and well-being during an emergency. And remember, harness the power of the sun to keep your devices charged without needing access to the power grid. For all your basic repair and building needs, these tools are indispensable for maintaining your shelter or creating new solutions. The humble nail and hammer might not seem like much, but when you're facing a crisis, they're the difference between a quick fix and a long-term problem. These are not just tools, they're your ticket to resilience and adaptability. A handful of nails and a sturdy hammer can help you repair a damaged shelter, construct a new one, or even build simple furniture or storage solutions. They're easy to store, require no power to use, and their versatility makes them a must-have in any prepper's kit. But the building and maintenance don't stop there. Enter rope and tarps, the dynamic duo of survival scenarios. A sturdy rope is like a multi-tool in its own right, capable of serving a multitude of purposes, from securing a tarp for shelter to bundling up firewood to even making a makeshift clothesline. It's one of those items that, once you have it, you'll find 1,000 uses for. Tarps, on the other hand, are a prepper's best friend when it comes to shelter. With a good tarp and some rope, you can create a protective cover from rain, wind, or sun in a matter of minutes. It can serve as an emergency tent, a ground cover, or even a makeshift bag to carry supplies. And the best part? They're lightweight, compact, and incredibly durable. Even if you're not the handy type, these tools are simple enough for anyone to use, yet their potential uses in a survival scenario are virtually limitless. And that's the key here, versatility. When you're preparing for the unknown, the more ways you can use an item, the more valuable it becomes. So the next time you're checking off items on your prepping list, remember the nails, hammer, rope, and tarps. Simple, affordable, and endlessly useful. They're the unsung heroes of survival situations. Whether you're pitching a tent or securing your gear, these items are essential for creating shelter and protecting your supplies from the elements. Always be ready to start a fire, a crucial survival skill for warmth and cooking. Flint fire starters are a compact and reliable tool for this, sparking a flame even in damp conditions. They're a must-have in any survival kit, offering a sustainable way to cook food, purify water, and keep warm. But survival isn't just about meeting your immediate needs. It's also about maintaining your health in the long run. That's where hygiene comes in, and it begins with the simple act of washing your hands. Soap, while seemingly mundane, is an essential item. It helps prevent the spread of disease by keeping your hands clean, especially before meals or after handling items from the outside world. Next up, work gloves. These not only protect your hands during heavy-duty tasks, but also help keep them clean, reducing the risk of infection. They're useful for handling firewood, building shelters, or even digging in the soil. Speaking of soil, let's talk about garden seeds. In a long-term survival scenario, you'll want to think about sustainable food sources. Garden seeds are an affordable and practical solution. They're easy to store, lightweight, and can yield a variety of nutritious vegetables and fruits to supplement your stored food supplies. Lastly, for a direct line to nature's pantry, consider fishing line and hooks. These are lightweight, easy to pack, and can be invaluable when you're near a body of water. They open up a whole new menu of potential meals, providing a source of protein that can be replenished over time. And there you have it. From starting fires and maintaining hygiene to securing sustainable food sources, these survival supplies cover a wide range of necessities. Long-term survival isn't just about having enough food and water for a few days, it's about being able to adapt and sustain yourself for an indefinite period. An excellent way to secure food from natural sources, ensuring you can fish when other food options are scarce. Ready to take your prepping to the next level? Hit the subscribe button for more practical tips. We're here to help you navigate the often murky waters of crisis preparation, and we're doing it in a way that's affordable and accessible for everyone. Our aim is to equip you with the right knowledge, tools, and supplies to face any situation with confidence. But the conversation doesn't stop here. It's essential that we learn from each other, share ideas and experiences. So go ahead and share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you feel could benefit from these life-saving tips. And we'd love to hear from you. What's that one item you can't do without in a crisis? Leave a comment below, and let's keep this important dialogue going. Remember, in the world of prepping, complacency is the real enemy. Preparation today ensures survival tomorrow.